Okay, Algebra 2 students, it's time for your review. So we're going to work on simplifying rationals review. Remember, our rule is factor first. And it's especially important that we look for GCFs as much as we can. Alright, so let's look at this first one. 8m squared minus 24m is our numerator, and m minus 3 is our denominator. Now I know our numerator, we can GCF that guy, okay? Because it's a binomial, and I know 8 and 24, and those two m's, they're just calling out. Can we do anything to m minus 3? No, that's a binomial, look at any coefficient of 1, and there's nothing squared, there's nothing we can do there. Okay, so GCF, we're looking at that 8, so you could rewrite it, I'm going to write a little small, but you can always pause and stare at it. 8m minus 3 times 8m, which means our greatest common factor is that 8m. 8m is coming out, so we're going to rewrite it as 8m times m minus 3 over m minus 3. So what cancels here? Well, not the 8m, so that's going to stay in our numerator. But our denominator, m minus 3's, I'll change color for y'all, will cancel out. So what does that leave in our denominator? Well, we can always hold the place of the denominator with 1, but usually anything over 1 is itself, so you would also see this problem as plain 8m. Right? So it's hopefully not too bad. For our problem number 2, we have two trinomials, m squared plus 8m minus 9 over m squared minus 3m plus 2. Okay, so when we're looking at our trinomials, we're looking for multiplies the ends and adds up to the middle. So I'm going to set that up underneath it like this. Okay, so what multiplies to negative 9 and adds up to positive 8? Both going to be, one's positive, one's negative, multiplies to negative 9. So I think that's going to be m plus 9 and m minus 1. So that multiplies to negative 9 and adds up to 8. Now I have to multiply to 2, but add up to 3. So that will be m minus 2 and m minus 1. Okay, multiplies to 2 and adds up to negative 3. That's a little out of focus. Come on, buddy. There you go. Alright, so what cancels? These do. So that leaves me with just m plus 9 over m minus 2. Now again, do those m's further cancel? No, they are not monomials. They are connected to their numbers. They are binomials that are not alike. Almost there with number 3. Alright, so again, greatest common factor. I threw this one on purpose because both of them are actually really large common factors. I'm just going to scooch this over here so I don't have to work so hard. Okay. So 16n squared plus 80n, that's really 16n plus. Now this one's tricky. You always have to check it. 16 times 5n. Yeah, I know. 16 gets weird. So our greatest common factor is 16n. 16n, leaving us n plus 5. Alright, greatest common factor on the bottom. Same kind of deal. Check out that 24. It also goes into 48, so it's 24n minus 2 times 24n. And our GCF is 24n, leaving us n minus 2. So what actually cancels in this one? Well, our binomials are going to be left alone, and our n's are going to cancel. Our plain monomial n's. Okay, that's 16 over 24. 16 over 24 reduces to 2 over 3 by dividing by 8. So our final answer will actually be 2 over 3, and then keep our binomials n plus 5, n minus 2. So that's a little bit gnarly, but they do get weird sometimes, but you got this. Good job.